Hey everyone, this is Seth with the Detailed Doc, your ceramic coating specialist in Bay City. I just want to show you guys, kind of walk you guys through what all goes into our level 3 ceramic coating package. So this is a Tesla Model S, 2019, is in this beautiful metallic white color. First we start by washing and decontaminating the vehicle, clay barring it, drying it off. Make sure the paint is all clean and ready to be polished. After that, we actually put the vehicle on our lift, take the wheels off, deep clean the wheels, deep inside the barrels. And then we ceramic coat the wheels, we ceramic coat the calipers, and then we put the wheels back on. So all of the braking components and the wheels are ceramic coated. Then we do our paint correction. So we tape off any trim or plastics that might be on the vehicle so we don't damage them with our polishers. Paint correction can tend to be referred to as wheeling or buffing out the paint. We like to call it paint correction. And that's where we use our polishers to remove defects in the paint. You see that beautiful shine from the sun there? You can hardly see if any defects in the paint. So people tend to see there's a lot of car wash damage, swirl marks, scratches. And what we're doing is we do a 3-stage paint correction with our level 3 package here. That includes minor wet sanding. So we actually take sandpaper and wet sand out some deeper scratches. Then we do a heavy cut and then a finishing polish to make that mirror finish on all the paint. After that, we'll panel wipe it down to make sure all the surfaces are free of fats and oils, any compound residues. And then we put our highest quality ceramic coating on all of the painted surfaces. G-Technics Crystal Serum Ultra comes with a 9-year guarantee, and we report it to Carfax too. So as you can see, it leaves a beautiful jaw-dropping shine, amazing gloss, and incredible protection. Then we move on to the glass and all the windows, especially on a Tesla like this. There's about a quarter of the whole car is just glass. And then we'll put our ceramic coating dedicated for the glass on all the windows to help with better visibility in bad weather and the rain. Water just flies off all the surfaces. It's going to give you better safety, better visibility. It's like a Rain-X on steroids. And then we go on the inside, detail the interior, detail all the compartments and the little jams, get all the dust out. And then we deliver it to you guys just like this, right in front of our shop. Beautiful presentation. Give you all the warranty information, how to take care of it, stuff like that. So the level 3 package is our most popular. 9 out of 10 of our clients go with the level 3. The level 3 ceramic coat is what we are known for in the area. And the ceramic coatings are gonna help preserve and protect your vehicle for the long term. No waxing, no sealing it up. It's just a permanent, this coating is a permanently bonding coating. Has to be wet sanded to get off. Comes with a 9-year guarantee, and we report it to Carfax too, like I said. The coating's gonna help protect it from UV, bugs, chemicals, bird poop, etchings. The vehicle stays cleaner for longer, stays looking newer for longer, and it's extremely easy to wash and maintain. One of the biggest compliments that we get is how easy the bugs and the dirt wash right off. It's super, super easy, especially with the wheels. The wheels are very prone to damage from the acidic brake dust. So the coatings on the wheels and the calipers definitely help out with that too, making those easy to keep clean and stay looking newer for longer. You know, these vehicles aren't cheap. You guys want to protect them, keep them looking newer for longer. This ceramic coat package is our most popular for a very good reason. It's the best that we offer, and you're getting the best on your vehicle. So if you guys want this level of work and service done to your vehicle, you want to protect it, you want to preserve it, and you want really high quality work and service, please give me a call at 989-244-0505. We'd be happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys very much for watching. Have a great day.